Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable the Reading Pane on Gmail. So begin by opening Gmail, and from here, you want to select Settings, and under Settings, click on See All Settings. From here, you'll be brought to the main settings menu. You want to select Inbox, and under Inbox, you should see Reading Pane. So you want to click on the checkbox to enable the Reading Pane, and then you want to choose the position of the pane. So you can have it on the right or below of the inbox, it's up to you. And once you've selected the position, you want to click on Save Changes. So once you've done that, now you'll notice that whenever you open an email or you click on an email, you'll be able to read the contents on the email on the right side of the inbox. If you've selected bottom, then you'll be able to read the email details at the bottom of the inbox. Then when you're ready to close it, all you need to do is simply just click on this icon at the top labeled Toggle Split Pane Mode, and the pane will be closed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.